Di bago na ng mga IRR, bago pag-aaralan, ay mga gender, may God,
Yes.
gender and development. So,
Oo, kasi may funding din yan,
may
di ba?
funding yan, kailangan merong
Oo,
meron
dapat
kayong
i-utilize,
mesa
tapos included
na-
ang LGBT, kasi ang LGBT po, nagpo-fall din na may mga babae, lesbian women, bisexual women, trans women.
family.
Family.
yan. Tapos, I think they have to understand na yung bawat ordinance ay dadaan muna sa barangay level. Na may mga dadaan muna sa barangay na kailangan doon medyo mahabang proseso. So, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng isang konkreto na isang national bill, national law na talagang streamlined at saka covered lahat para hindi lang bawat LGU kasi ang masasabi dyan is a city or a citizen of a city will be privileged than that of another city which does not have an KDO. So, that alone is merong disparity in terms of protection of the law. So, kailangan i-push natin ang national level. So,
That's for the anti-discrimination. The right to care naman, anybody can come in. Di ba ang parang nakita natin request naman dito is, are all hospitals going to follow it? Or implement? Paano ito, Julian? Yeah, no, the IRR of this. Yeah, but we have, yun yung i-challenge din sa atin, di ba, bilang advocates, na we have to check. Kung nari ang Quezon City, lahat ba susunod? Tatalima. Yun.
Catholic
Yun na naman. Kasi marami ding
For sure, they wouldn't go
religious freedom. So, magiging tali sila. Diba? So, yun yung challenge ni kay Mayor Jer Del Monte. No? At saka iba pang city. So, yun yung titignan din naman natin. No? I-review na naman po namin na mga activists, advocates, kung gaano tatalima yung ordinansa ng mga dito. Pero, again and again, we're very grateful. These are developments na dati po, nung nagsisimula kami, walang-wala ito lahat. Like ako po, I was subject to sexual harassment before, alam ni Julian to, in one university. Ang interpretation lang po nun is, an harassment can only be applicable within a biological man and a woman. So that was already amended. No? Anti-sexual harassment law. Ngayon pwede na po. It can happen between both sexes. Persons. Yeah, as persons na po. Dati po, na-dismiss yung aking kaso because of that, by technicality. Kasi interpretation ng fiscal is biological lang daw po. Pwede mangyari ang harassment. That was in 2001. So very unfortunate.
Very quickly lang, no?
Yes, go.
Add ko lang yung Free Spaces Act
Yes.
for the
Ayan,
Bawal Bastos Law.
Oo.
RA
Can
11313.
utilize.
It actually uses the term homophobic, transphobic. So
Mas
bawal
worse,
siya.
no?
Bawal siya. Whether it's online or whether it's in public, it is prohibited. It is unlawful. Illegal po. Illegal po ang homophobic remarks, statements. Illegal ang transphobic statements or remarks in relation with RA 1131.
Yeah. Pwedeng gamitin.
Pwede.
Diba? Oo. At saka ito, alam ko, we have friends here from LTFRB, yung transportation sector, pinaigting din nila yung mga, sa mga public transportation. During the time na I was still there also. So nakita ko naman yung pagpapalakas ng batas na ito. So meron, no, yung tayo